Hello and welcome to Math096D. This is the first time it's being taught online, and I'm pretty excited about this. I'm hoping that this page is set up well enough that people can navigate the whole thing. Here's the front page when you first come into 96D in Canvas. And if you look down here, there's a syllabus link. Here's a video of me saying hi and talking about my interests. Here's the syllabus review. So there's the syllabus review, and then here's the Canvas tour. Course objectives are there, where to find content, where to do my work, contact information, and all that required versus optional. So go ahead and take a look at those when you have time, and let me know if you have questions about it. And then we have some standard things down here from the college. Most of the content you're going to find is going to be in the modules. So pretty much you can look at announcements and modules and discussions. That's going to get you most of what you want. Down here is grades for the grade book. You can click on that. Here's BrainFuse for some tutoring. But if I click on the modules, let me show you what's here. If it opens up. There we go. So looking here at the modules, first module is learner support, and there's information there about using Canvas if you haven't used it before, and WC student services, netiquette guide, and all that. Next is introduction. This one has the full course text. You wouldn't be able to get this part, but this is in here, and you don't have access to that. But here's the books we're going to be using, the chapters we'll be using for this course. They're also going to be in the modules themselves. So, like for example, here's Unit 11, Exponents and Polynomials. Let me just close this up. We're going to do 11, 12, 14, then have the midterm, 15, 16, 17, and have the final. It's going to move pretty fast. We have a lot to cover in just 6 weeks. So if I go into here, here's where the lessons would be. You hit like topic, and it gives you this, and there's warm up. And let's see here, begin. So this one you can just multiply negative 4.5 times 0.8. I believe that'd be negative 3.6. Did I get it right? Oh, I think I skipped it. Let's do it again. Negative 5 times x to the fourth, if x is negative 4. Well, let's see. Negative 4 to the fourth power. That'd just be like 4 to the fourth power. It's 256 times negative 5. So I get negative 12. It's at 1280. There. And then come down here, hit submit. I got it correct. Yay. Oh, there are 9 of these? No way. And then here's negative 5. Oh, I want the next one. Next. And then I want to add these fractions up. So negative and negative, it's still going to be negative. So that's like negative 24, but then we've got a little more coming on, 3/4 and 2/3. So I'm going to go right here, negative 25 and 5/12. Let's see. I got it correct. Yay. Okay. And then what would this be? Let's see, negative 264.037, sorry about the dogs, plus 489.6, and I get 225.563. Okay. Thought there, when I did this before, there were only 4, so I'm not going to go through all of these. And let's just go on to, I want to get back to here, presentation. So in the presentation, there's a video you can watch. And I'm not going to play it now. And then there is worked examples. So this is stuff from Khan Academy. And then we have topic text. So here you can either go to the other thing for the text or look at the text here. Okay. Okay, hopefully we'll have more silence now. Okay, there's the text, and then the next one will be practice. So you have some practice problems to do. Okay, y cubed squared over y to the fourth. Would that just be 9? Let me see. I got it correct. Yay. Okay. And then after that, you would actually have some review stuff to do. Some problems to do. Now, none of this counts towards the homework. It's a learning process, though. So if we go back to the modules, like if I hit next here, there's another topic, and then another topic, and then some more. This is all Unit 11. Come down here. I just had to get back out of it so I can show you. So we get through all that. This is like your first week's worth of stuff. You know, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, and Unit 11. And then here's the homework, and here's the quiz. So homework, you can take that. It's similar problems to this. This one's shorter. The quiz is shorter than the homework. Homework will have, I think, 3 attempts. This is, I think, is 2 attempts. Then glossary, and then the glossary in Spanish. The stuff that's not green, you guys won't see. And then there's Unit 12. Okay. I would encourage you right now to go to discussions and post your discussion. Like, I might create one. I'll just go in here. I made the changes because I wasn't trying to. In general, all your postings together are 50 points, and this came out like that did. So I'm just going to go back here and make a discussion, and I'll say introductions. This is a place where you can put your introduction. Okay. Save and publish. So you can make your own thread the same way. So I'm going to say, hi everyone. I am Jeff Downs, your instructor for this class. I have been at W&C for over 13 years now. I developed the Math096D course years ago, back in 2015. And this is the first time I have taught it online. So I have taught it in the classroom before. I like to be outdoors, hiking, skiing, and jeeping. See how easy this is? I look forward to this semester. So there it is. There's a perfectly fine introduction. You could talk more about yourself. You could talk about your family, talk about your pets, whatever. And I hit post, and that'd be 10 points right there. 10 of the 50 points for my for that grade. So hope that makes sense. I don't want to click on grades because your names might be in there, and that violates some privacy stuff. And quizzes. Now you could look at it. I should say quizzes and assignments are pretty much the same thing. So you can look at your quiz here, homework here. It's the same thing as if you get it from the modules. Exactly the same thing. Okay. So feel free to look at either place. Announcements will be up here, and I have some announcements going to come up. You're going to see those. Syllabus here, and it has a list of the syllabus. Again, it's also on the front page. And some assignments. These down here you don't need to worry about. Just these up here that have dates of them. I think that's about it. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm really looking forward to this class. And let's go forward.